everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. And what we're doing now, or today, is a tree ring pour. If I can get this little hair, there we go, out of my canvas. You know what, I don't think you're really supposed to put a base coat on the tree ring pour, especially if you're doing a tree ring pour in black and white, which is what I'm doing. So, since I've already got just black and white in here, I'm going to put, no, I'm not. So we're going to just start. Just going to start, let's start right at the top with this, and just start swirling, and hopefully we'll get some white out there. I had a funny feeling this wasn't gonna work like this. Okay, I might have to start back up here again. Let's do that. You never know what we're gonna end up with. And we're gonna do a weird tree ring pour. So now let's do it right here. Right like this. Now we have all the white. It's okay though. So I think I have more black right down here. So let's just dribble it in. See what we come up with. Can you tell I need more practice on my tree ring pours? Alright. Let's give it a go. It looks weird, doesn't it? My, yes it does. And can't find my torch. I don't know where it is. Just can't imagine where my other half took it, and I'll look for it. Can't find it. So we are punting with this. Hopefully the bubbles will pop on their own. And let's see what we got here. Let's just start coming around with it. I don't know what you're going to end up with. Looks like a bunch of intestines. I don't know. That might be interesting for Halloween. Alright, gotta take some of it off sometime. Alright, so let's start. Let's take some off here. Looks like black and white cartoon. Here. And I'm gonna bring it down. Well, I didn't get it all the way here. So, let's see what we end up with. Now this way. Interesting piece. However, I need to get the corners. So, that's what I'm doing, is trying to get the corners. That. And I still gotta get these corners, so I guess I'll bring it back a little bit. This way. Just want to paint there to help it flow. And here too. Come on down. I really do wish I had the torch. I cannot believe I cannot find it. So, there is our unusual looking tree ring pour. That doesn't look like a tree ring pour. So, you know I'll have to do this one again for sure. Although I don't know that I'll use black and white, but I did learn a little something from this. And that is to put more layers of black and white in there. So that would look better. If I did that with more layers, we would have more of a tree ring. Okay, we have got it. thank you for watching. Sorry I can't get my torch point spicy. Can't find my torch. I don't know where it is. You know what? I think I'll probably grab my heat gun and hit it so we can get some of them bubbles out of there. So thank you all for joining me. Stay tuned. I got some resin videos coming up soon. God bless. Be safe and be happy. Bye-bye now.